Hello and welcome on PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPhone X with the touch issue. So hopefully I'll be able to sort it out quickly and you will see a nice video. So let's begin and we'll see what's going on. Yes, so phone is fixed. There was a problem with one shorted capacitor on PP5 V25 touchline. Fortunately, it wasn't very complicated repair, so I'm very glad, and the customer of course should be very happy because his data was very important for him. So yeah, all good, and thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.